continue with another interesting concept, EMF of a cell. Internal resistance and TPD, terminal potential difference. What is TPD? Terminal potential difference. Maybe you got confidence what you are writing on Monday. Your score should be good. Work hard. Start from today. Right? EMF of a cell. EMF, electromotive force. Electromotive force is associated with cell. Consider an electrolytic cell. As you know, these are the two electrodes. This is positive electrode and this one is negative electrode, and this is electrolyte. The whole setup is a cell. Electrolyte. These are, as you know, electrodes. Now the positive electrode will be at positive potential plus V plus positive potential, V plus, which is at positive potential. Negative electrode will be at negative potential, V minus with a negative. Cell is a simple device which maintains steady current throughout the circuit. A device which maintains steady current, steady potential difference throughout the circuit is termed as cell. Cell. In which two electrodes, positive electrode, negative electrodes are present. These electrodes are immersed inside electrolyte. Due to chemical reaction, charges are transferred from this electrode to electrolyte. Suppose in the electrolyte, observation point is A, potential difference between P and A is positive. Suppose similarly, if between negative electrode and point B in the solution, electrolytic solution, if the potential difference is negative, total potential difference if we measure, it is nothing but potential difference we are measuring, plus V plus minus of minus, minus is nothing but we are remaining with plus, right? This is called as EMF of a cell. This is called as EMF of a cell. Electromotive force from the term, actually it is a miscommunicator, or we call it as a misnomer. It is a historical term, means at that time the practically what is EMF was not understood properly. You are concentrating, dear? What happened? You are not well, sit. EMF, electromotive force. Here nothing is related to force. Nothing is related to force. That's why we are using the word, it is a misnomer or a miscommunicator. Wrong term. Actually it is given historically, means from old period there where practically the word EMF was not known. At that time it was introduced. So we are continuing like that only, we didn't have a change. EMF. Actually EMF refers to the potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell. Nothing relates to force, as I told. EMF refers to the potential difference across the two electrodes of the cell. EMF refers to the potential difference across the two electrodes of the cell. Okay. What is this word? Misnomer or miscommunicator. Now what we will do is that let us connect these two electrodes externally with a wire. Right? Like this. We are connecting with the help of a wire offer some resistance called, we know resistance. Now today let us call it as external resistance. We shall call it as external resistance. When the two electrodes are connected with the help of external resistance, then due to chemical reaction, for example the solution is dilute H2SO4, here the plate is copper plate, here the plate is zinc plate. You know, in our simple circuit, Ohm's law applied to simple circuit, this is a simple circuit. Simple circuit. Plug key, higher potential difference, lower potential difference. We know the theory, current flows if and only if, according to Ohm's law, there is potential difference applied across the two ends of the conductor, right? Current flows conventionally from higher potential difference to lower potential. If we name this as CD, similarly here the current flows from higher potential difference to lower potential difference. Let me repeat. We are connecting a wire of resistance R externally. The current flows conventionally from P to N, that is from C to D across the resistor R. Current flows from positive electrode to negative electrode. We also mean C to D, where across the which resistor? What is that resistor called? External resistor. Last bench. ಕೇಳು ಕೇಳು ಕೂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳು. You got? Yes. So current is flowing from P to N. This is not new to us. We know this. Now what is new? Actually in this case, where EMF we defined in terms of potential difference across the two electrodes of the cell, current flowing through the cell is zero. Means what does it mean? Here the current is not flowing. If you complete it, here the current is not flowing. Then we can say like this. Now if current flows, how it flows? Externally it is flowing from P to N, we know, but internally it will flow from N to P. Idu cell alla, electrodes of the cell. How conventionally the current is flowing? From N to P inside the cell. Now for example, if an electron, what is this electrode? This is positive electrode, this is negative electrode. If an electron is moving like this, isn't it? Opposite to the conventional direction of current, a negative charge carrier will move, electron will flow. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Cell, electrolytic cell is an energy converter. It is converting chemical energy into electrical energy. It is converting chemical energy into electrical energy. Cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy, right? Now what happens? When one electron is flowing from zinc plate, from this electronegative electrode like this, in this direction, from the anode plate, one electron will be supplied in this direction. When this plate is losing electron, hence we call it as anode plate, or we call it as positive plate or positive electrode. Is that clear? Means until chemical reaction is taking place inside this electrolytic cell, current is passed through the circuit. Will you agree? When one electron from this electrode moves here, what does it also mean? Conventionally, current in the external wire is the direction in which positive charge carrier moves, isn't it? Externally, positive charge carrier is moving from P to N. Internally, inside the cell, it is moving from N to P. What it means? Positive charge. What does it mean? Positive charge. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Means ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ರೀ, ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲೋವರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಮೂವ್. ಈಗ ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲೋವರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ನೌ ವೆನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ that positive charge should now move from negative electrode to positive electrode. Hence the circuit is closed, hence the circuit is complete. In this circuit now current is flowing. What is flowing? It means current flows through the electrolyte of the cell with the help of these electrodes. Will you agree? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಎನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ನಿಂತ ಪಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ತನಕ ಬರಬೇಕದು. ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಿ ಟು ಎನ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ current flows from N to P within the cell. Will you agree? Isn't it? Initially here there was no current. Here there was no current. The current is flowing. Since electrolyte is present, when current flows through the electrolyte, that electrolyte offers some opposition to the flow of current. Up till now what we know? External wire, external resistor offers some opposition to the flow of current. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಸಿಲ್ವರೇ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅದೂ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ತಡಿಲಿಗತ್ತದು. ಆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. Now today what we are concentrating is that current is also flowing through the electrolytic solution, electrolyte. That electrolyte offers some opposition to the flow of current. So the opposition practically offered by the electrolyte of the cell is called as internal resistance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳಗೇನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲೈಟ್ ಅದ ಅದೂ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ತಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಡ್ರೈ ಸೆಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅದೇ ಸೆಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ನೋ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಗಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೊಸದದ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ one stage is reached where completely now it is opposing that current. ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. What is the case here? When current flows through the electrolyte, that electrolyte also offers some opposition to the flow of current internally, hence that resistance is called as internal resistance. What is internal resistance? Internal resistance is the opposition offered by the cell, electrolyte of the cell, to the flow of current. Is that clear? Now what is the logic here? When does electrolyte offer opposition to the flow of current? When current is flowing through it. When current is flowing through it, then only it can offer opposition. Suppose when current is not flowing, when current is zero, when current in the circuit is zero, who's that? Wonderful. External resistance is infinity according to Ohm. We should speak like this. When current is zero, this is offering infinite resistance. 1 upon infinity is zero. When current is zero, the circuit is called practically as open circuit. What it is called? Open circuit. When current is not flowing, what about internal resistance? External resistance is infinity. When current is not flowing, what about internal resistance? R is zero. R is So all this more clearly, more practically we will discuss now. You are clear till here? Will you write till here? ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿಂದ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಎಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೀ. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಿ. ವಯರ್, ವಯರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೋತ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ನೌ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್? Potential difference measured across the two electrodes of the cell. What is EMF? Once again see, EMF is the amount of work done by the cell in transferring a unit positive charge from lower potential point to higher potential. You got positive charge, positive charge. Here electron transfer ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಮಿಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರಿ ಇದು? ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗ. If small amount of work is done in transferring small charge, work done in transferring unit positive charge from where to where? From lower cell ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, lower potential point to higher potential point. Did you get? That is now called as, instead of V, let us write it as. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ವೀರೇಶ್? ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್? ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್, ಡ್ರೈ ಸೆಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್, ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಮೀಟರ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಡ್ರೈ ಸೆಲ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ ನೀವು, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಾಲ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಾಲ್ಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ 1, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೀ. ಕೀ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್, ಕೀ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. When key is open, let us see what happens. When key is open, can this cell drive current? In the external circuit, can it drive? Through the external resistance, can it drive? No. When key is open, such a circuit in which current is zero is called as open circuit. Practically, what do you mean by open circuit? Open circuit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೀ ತೆಗೆದಿವೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೀ is open. It means, what is meant by open circuit? Circuit through which current is zero, current is not flowing, I is zero. Current direction ನಾವು indicate ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ because key is not closed, it is open. Circuit is not complete. You got the meaning? Yes. Now voltmeter, actually pointer of voltmeter should be on zero, but now the pointer of voltmeter is indicating 1 2 3 volt. For example, it is indicating 3 volt. Yes, practically ನಾವು ಇದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು, ಕೀ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೀ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, there is no current in the external circuit. Even then voltmeter pointer is deflecting to certain value, 1.5, 2 cells ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 3 volt. If it is indicating 3 volt, for example, right? Now whatever potential difference this voltmeter is measuring, that is called as EMF of a cell. That is termed as EMF of a cell. What is EMF? EMF of a cell is defined as equal to terminal potential difference when circuit is open. When circuit is open, then terminal potential difference is equal to EMF of a cell when current is zero. Now case 2, cell EMF, internal resistance, key, now key is closed. Now you connect a voltmeter across the cell from higher to lower, higher potential difference to lower potential difference, current is flowing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ I is 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಲಿಗತ್ತದ. ಕೀ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲದಪ್ಪ ಧ್ಯಾನ ನಿಂದು. ಕೀ ಈಸ್ closed. When key is closed, practically current is flowing through the external resistor. Current is also flowing through the cell. Will you agree? Cell means electrolyte. Now this electrolyte offers some opposition to the flow of current called internal resistance opposition. Now instead of V is equal to E, it is minus I because across the internal resistance, across the cell offers some opposition called internal resistance. So we are subtracting because come back to the cell, amount of work done in transferring a positive charge from lower potential point to lower to higher. That's why we are subtracting that. There is drop in potential. There is drop in potential. What does it mean practically? Practically it means that no more terminal potential difference is equal to EMF. Now terminal potential difference is less than EMF of the cell by an amount equal to IR. Suppose in this case, for example, terminal potential difference voltmeter, whatever it is measuring, is equal to EMF of the cell 3 volt. Now no more it is 3 volt because 3 volt minus something it is. Left hand side is called TPD. TPD is less than EMF of a cell when circuit is closed, when current flows through the circuit. Did you get the meaning? What is EMF of a cell? In simple words, EMF of a cell is the potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell. EMF of a cell is numerically equal to the terminal potential difference offered by the cell when the circuit is open, when the current flowing through the circuit is 0. In closed circuit, whether TPD is equal to EMF? No. In closed circuit, TPD is always less than EMF. This is the case of circuit under discharging. It is sending current. Circuit ಏನದ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಸೆಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. It is driving unit positive charge. It is driving unit positive charge. You are clear till here? Yeah, if we proceed, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗೀತು. EMF of a cell, put the heading as EMF of a cell internal resistance or TPD. Not or, comma ಕೊಟ್ಟು TPD ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Draw this. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್, ವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೀವಿ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಟು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ H2SO4, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಂತಿದ್ದು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಡ್ರಾ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜ್. ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆದೂ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇದು ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕು. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ P to N, ಒಳಗಡೆ N to P. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಫಿನಿಸ್ಡ್. ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಿರಿ. ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಿರಿ. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. Cell is a device. Cell is a device which is used to maintain steady current across the circuit. Cell is a device which is used to maintain steady current across the circuit. A cell has two electrodes. A cell has two electrodes. Cell has two electrodes, positive and negative electrode. Positive and negative electrode. Positive and negative electrode. These electrodes are dipped or immersed. These electrodes are immersed inside an electrolyte. These electrodes are immersed inside an electrolyte. If you are writing this, plus V plus is the PD potential difference between P andre positive electrode hodilla, between P and point A in electrolyte. I repeat, if this is positive potential, simple words, P is at positive potential, N is at negative potential helbekagide namaga. Plus V plus is the potential difference between P and point A in electrolyte. In electrolyte. And this one, minus V minus, N is at negative potential. Negative potential. Minus V minus is the potential difference between, is the PD between ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, N and point B. N and point B. Due to chemical reaction, charges are transferred. Due to chemical reaction, charges are transferred from electrodes to the electrolyte. Charges are transferred from the electrodes to electrolyte. The potential difference measured across the two electrodes of the cell, what we should add over here after our understanding. I repeat, potential difference measured across the two electrodes of the cell. Condition when? Very good. When current is zero, potential difference measured across the two electrodes of the cell, when current is zero, is known as EMF of a cell. Is known as EMF of a cell. Given as under. You should write these steps. Total potential is potential difference between the two electrodes. Difference. Positive electrode and negative electrode. So plus we got. So this total whatever potential difference is measured between the two electrodes is termed as EMF. Here you conclude when I is 0, isn't it? When I is 0. Change the line and write. Cell is an energy converter. Cell is an energy converter. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Change the line and write. Current flows from, now you add a word, wait. If the electrodes of the cell are connected with a wire, if the electrodes of the cell are connected with a wire of resistance capital R, isn't it? ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈ ವೈರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ವೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್, ಈಗ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Then write this. Current flows from P to N. P to N ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. C to D across the external resistor. Current flows from P to N, that is C to D across the external resistor. Right? Next line. When the circuit is complete, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? Key is closed. When the circuit is complete, write this. Current flows from ಏನು? N to P within the cell. Current flows from N to P within the cell. Definition of EMF. You are giving the side heading as definition of EMF. The amount of work done by the cell, in transferring amount of work done by the cell in transferring a unit positive charge in transfer. Now this is not a test charge, you are alert, isn't it? In transferring a unit positive charge from where to where? From lower potential point to higher potential point. Amount of work done in transferring a unit positive charge from lower potential point to higher potential point. Okay, change the line and write. Since current flows through the electrolyte, this electrolyte offers some opposition. To the flow of current. Electrolyte offers some opposition to the flow of current. Change the line and write definition of internal resistance. I repeat, this electrolyte offers some opposition to the flow of current. Line change ಮಾಡಿ. Definition of internal resistance. Isn't it? The resistance offered by electrolyte of a cell, bracket nalli, when current flows through it, isn't it? When current flows through it is known as, close the bracket, is known as internal resistance of a cell. Internal resistance of a cell. Case 1. If R is equal to infinity, capital R. If capital R is equal to infinity, from Ohm's law, write this as it is. I is equal to V by R. From Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. What is R? Which is offering infinite resistance, which is infinity. If R is infinity, I is 0. So did you write from Ohm's law? Right? So therefore I is 0. I is 0. When I is 0, the circuit is called open circuit. When I is 0, the circuit is called open circuit. Change the line and write. The potential difference measured across the two terminals of the cell, the potential difference PD measured across the two terminals of the cell in open circuit, two terminals of the cell in open circuit, yes, is known as EMF of a cell. Is known as EMF of a cell. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ practically ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರೆದು write everything as it is. Tomorrow we will derive this in another form. We are going to derive this tomorrow. 3 marks. Right? Next class. Draw the circuits, both the circuits. And ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡ್ವೆಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಓದ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇವೆರಡೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೀನ್ ತಿಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಿಂತೆ ಓದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಎಲ್ಲನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಐನ್ಸ್ಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಶರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ 10 ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 10. ಈಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೀವು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, 10 ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ, ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಎರರ್ಲೆಸ್ ನಿಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ 5 marks. ಡ್ವೆಲ್ ನೇಚರ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಈಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾಳೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್.